How's it going here? It's Mr. Peace. I just got done speaking here at McBride Middle School, one of the schools here in Van Buren, home of the Vikings, and it was an amazing, incredible day to share my heart with all the students here, all the 7th and 8th graders. We had 3 separate assemblies, and it was all on positive life choices. One of the biggest choices we can make, first and foremost, is to love ourselves first, because if we don't love ourselves, there's no way that we can start to love other people by showing them kindness and compassion. And it was so beautiful because so many of these students, they've had this self-hatred going on or this non-love, but we know we can always overcome that with love for ourselves and for others. And I talk about how we need to all see the M on all of our palms, which stands for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. And like the shirt says, when times get tough, that we still keep our head up. There were so many that reached out to me in pain that are going through something, whether it's abandonment or loss of a loved one, someone close to them, or just getting bullied. But I told them that, storms sometimes have to happen in order for rainbows to appear, in order for new life to spring up. And that was one of the quotes that my friend Egypt Covington had said, that spring will come and we just have to keep the faith that things will start to blossom eventually. So that was part of the motivation for being here today, is that's where she went to middle school at, was McBride. I just spoke at Tyler recently and hoping to do the high school too, to keep honoring her legacy and who she was, everything that she stood for, which was someone that was full of unconditional love and happiness and joy and beauty, and it all started from her heart. So keep sharing your heart. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys again soon. Peace.